In this lesson, we're going to go over how to take a singular noun and turn it into plural when the singular noun is in the nominative form. Basically, okay, I know that's confusing. You know the subject of the sentence, right? The subject is always in the nominative form. We've gone over this before. The subject of the sentence is always in the nominative form. Remember the little memory mnemonic. I nominate someone such as Joe. Okay. I is the subject of the sentence, right? So it's in nominative form. So that's a way to remember. The subject is in nominative form. I nominate, as opposed to, are you accusing me? Okay. That's in the accusative. Okay. Accusative form. And this is in the nominative form. We've gone over both of these before. So this is just a quick review. Me as opposed to I. I is the subject. You here is the subject, but we're going over me. Remember, we're talking about ourselves to remember the difference between nominative and accusative. Okay? I nominate. Are you accusing me? Okay, I am the subject, and me is more like the object. Okay, um, if you need to review, go back and review that. It's very important. But this lesson, we're just going over the subject, I. Okay, for example, I make salads. Okay, I am the subject. So I is in nominative form. Subject is in nominative form. Okay, um, especially when you want to make it plural. That's what we're going to deal with. It's not really a non. Anyways, let's go over another sentence. Machines make salads. Okay, say there's a making machine, a salad making machine. The subject, once again, is machines, is here. So that's going to be in nominative form. Okay, this lesson is about changing singular to plural. Okay, so let's say it was just machine. Okay, that'd be the subject. If I want to make it plural, I'd add an S. Okay, machines, that's what we do in English. We either add an S or an ES. Sometimes we do something weird like child becomes children. That's rare. But we always do something to the ending. Okay, machine becomes machine, ending becomes machines in English, right? And grass becomes grasses. We add es. We either add s or es, and child becomes children. These are unusuals, type of thing. But mostly just add s or es in English. Russian's a little bit more involved than just add s or es. Okay, to change it from singular to plural. Okay, so, oops, let's move this over here. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's go over example. Okay, let's say, okay, to change, instead of S, adding S or ES or adding something, doing something else weird, unusual. Russian has like a few rules. These rules have been simplified by myself and to make it easier. Okay, so here's some rules. What to do with the ending. In English, we simply add or do something unusual. Um, in Russian, rule number one, you basically, this is true of just about everything, change the ending to E. Okay, change the ending to E. Okay, example is musée is museum. Okay, now that's one museum. Okay, just one. Now, if you want to say two or three or however many, change it into plural. You change the last ending E to E. Okay, so this is true of just about everything in Russian. Muzей, okay, that still means museum. You changed the E to E, okay? So that's number one rule. That's true just about all the time, okay? So now let's find some exceptions, okay? Here's some other rules of exceptions, okay? If it ends in, if it, the ending is a consonant, not a vowel, anything that's not a consonant is a vowel. If ending is a consonant, then add E. You add E, not change it to E, but you add E to the ending. For example, in Russian, the word bank is the same as we have, is bank. Okay? English bank, Russian bank. Okay? That's one bank. Okay, if you want to make it two or more, you would add E to bank. Sort of like we add S or ES. Banki, that's more. That's plural. This is singular, one bank. This is plural, two, three, etc. Okay, and last rule is, well, it's kind of a compound rule. Um, o, learn this little memory mnemonic. O to a, e to ya. Okay, it's like a little song. O to a to ya. O to a to ya. Try singing it a bunch of times. O to a to ya. O to a to ya. For example, Russian has the word moloko. It basically means milk in English. Okay, that's just one. Okay, say you want to do more than one milks. Um, it ends in O, change it to A. Moloka. Okay, O to A. Oops, you can't see that. Okay, I apologize. Um, I'll write it up here. Moloko means milk. Now it ends in O. Now change it to A. Mo, lo, ka. Okay, one milk becomes two or more. Okay, um, uh, you can barely see the beginning of it. O to A. So let's get rid of this because we know English. So let's write this up here. O to A, E to Ya. Okay. O to A, E to Ya. O to A, E to Ya. Okay. This ends in O. Moloko ends in O. Change it to A. Moloka. Just like we do adding and stuff. But anyways, that's how you change one milk to plural milk. So we got three basic rules. Change ending to E. That's almost always. And two, if ending is a consonant, then add E. If it ends in a consonant, add E. Okay, so either change it to E or add E. And lastly, if it ends in O, change it to A type of thing. Let's see. Um, let's see. Okay, how about another example for etia? Okay, cabo no, cabo noe means cable. Let's say it's one. Now you want to change it to plural. You say etia, cable no ya. Okay, you change that a to ya. Cabo noe becomes cabo no ya. Okay, so o to a to ya. Right? Pretty simple, huh? So if you learn these three rules, then you should be able to change the subject noun to of just about any noun in Russian. Oops, sorry about that again. This camera's so close here. So that's basically it. Um, let's go over some examples. Well, basically, we just conjugated there. Let's go over some practice problems. This shouldn't be too hard. I mean, this is the lesson. So we've already gone over it. Okay, number one. Okay. Oh, there was one other thing. It's not real. Well, um, yeah, never. Okay. Yeah, never mind. Never mind. We're just going to go over it like this. Okay. Um, okay, I've taught it well. Okay, number one. Okay. Um, the radio has weight. Okay. Um, weight. Okay. We're not even going to translate yet. Okay. We're just going to leave that as it is. So basically, just use the word weight. Don't worry about translating it. It's more important to learn how we speak. In fact, we should go over it in order too. Let's see. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's go over it this way. The celery has weight. Okay, the way to say celery in Russian is celery. Okay, celery means celery. Okay, so I translated that into celeries have weight. Okay, don't worry about weight, just use the word weight. Two, um, okay, what was the next one? Which order did I put it in? Which order? Oh yeah, add E. Okay, I'm looking for good examples. Um, mm, change the, okay. The telephone has weight. Okay, okay, right? Telephones, plural, have weight. Okay, telephone is how you say telephone in Russian. Okay, and next, um, ota. Let's say the radio has weight. Radios have weight. Okay, radio is how you say radio in Russian. Okay, and это я. And then, okay, the cable has weight. Okay, and cables have weight. Cable, cable, no way, is how you say cable in Russian. Okay, so go ahead, translate these. Okay, you ready? Let's go over it. Celeries have weight. Okay, so um, first most times we just change the ending to E. So celery, emit weight. Okay, celeries have weight. Celery, emit weight. Okay, next, telephones have weight. Okay, telephones have weight. Let's see. Telephone ends in consonant, so you add E. Telephony, emit weight. Okay, next. Radios have weight. Okay. Say, okay, ends in O to A, and E to Ya. So, ready, A, emit, weight. Okay. Next, cables have weight. ends in A. O to A, E to Ya. So we say, um, oops, I think I do Cabo. Oops, my mistake. I am so sorry. It's a K, not a C. Cabo, no, ya. He met, wait. Okay, so that's how you conjugate the subject. Notice all of these were subjects of the sentence. Okay, so that's it for this next lesson. I'll see you next lesson.